I was doing a program in a college many years ago. As I was giving the talk, I saw that the blades of the fan from the ceiling, they were all bent in a very odd shape. Many of the benches and chairs in the classroom were missing, and I was wondering what's going on here. After the program, I asked some of the professors why I saw all of these strange sights, and they said, actually, our students, they are sometimes so violent, so dangerous, so deadly, even we are afraid of them. And when they are angry, what they will do we cannot predict. So in a state of great anger, some of them bent the blades of the fan. And in the winter season, because it was cold, they actually took some of these benches, broke them apart and used them to have a bonfire. And I was saying, what do you mean? Can't you control them? And they said very helplessly, we can give them education, we can give them some information, but looks like it is practically impossible to transform and control their character. It's very important for us to realize that character is a core basic principle by which the entire foundation of our life's existence can be created. Actually, character is what defines a human being and makes us different from animals. The whole idea of spiritual knowledge is let us refine and define our character. That character gives us the strength to face various challenges with fortitude, deal with others with respect, politeness, and actually be able to express gratitude towards what we receive. Dear friends, the education system is not simply meant to give us information, it is actually meant to create transformation and create good, positive human beings. Let us not focus only on career. The real way forward for this land of India is when we combine career with character. That combination of career with character based on ancient spiritual principles will be the most powerful transforming force. Therefore, let's appreciate that we have to marry technology with tradition. And when we do that, what comes out is a very powerful force.